3 years and a week ago, I stood right here. I just bought my first condo, and I'm just about done with it. So I was going to make a little video update on how it came along. It's a lot sunnier on that day back then. So here we are. So when I first moved in, this was a little kitchen. I actually had a little video. This is the video I put on YouTube 3 years ago.
Well, that's what I thought too, but this is almost
wood. Had a wood paneling on the walls.
So I'm wondering if they cut the wall.
And wait till you see the kitchen. So this was the kitchen, that little area. There's wood paneling everywhere. And that's what it looks like now.
This is hideous.
Oh, this wall wasn't even here. This was the original design of the place, but the guy before me had knocked it down. So this is the place now. A little security system going. Might show you outside, but it's a rainy day. There's Onyx. So we have put a closet in. A nice new bathroom. There's lights. It says "Get Naked" on the wall. Another bathroom. This is the office. And so yeah, just about done. Like I said, I'm not going to do any more work. How it is how it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching.